Guys, you need to see this. I've just been looking around on X for things to make videos on, and I got hit by this from Remotion, and it just looked really, really interesting. And this is what caught my eye. This animation was created just by prompting. So if you look at this entire animation, they've created their own release trailer using the thing that they're releasing, which is pretty damn cool. Hey guys, before continuing, a quick word from our sponsor, me. HarborSEO.ai is currently free. It's version 2. I've worked on it for months and months now, and the thing is 100 times more powerful than it was, with updates to the writer, researcher, linker, scout, which is a new thing, and also featured images using NanoBanana. Also, a very, very nice new feature is the link bait builder, which can get you thousands of backlinks and traffic to specific pages. And if you need a little bit more help with SEO, you can also claim a 50% offer for backlinks by using half price links. And you can see here, you get 50% off the first 3 months of a manual link building campaign. Thanks for the attention. Let's jump back into things. Now, I just want to preface this by saying I have absolutely no experience with motion design whatsoever. I didn't even really know what it was until 10 minutes ago. And I just made this. Okay, so this is an animated teaser video for Convex, right? Just an example, I was just thinking what can I make as an example, and it doesn't even have its logo and stuff because I didn't add assets. But even so, like, this is really, really cool. So I thought that I would just quickly explain to you guys how to actually achieve this. So the first thing is we need a folder, right? So I'm just going to say mkdir remotion 2 and then cd remotion 2. And then if we just jump back onto here, we can just run this command here, npx skills add remotion skills / dev. And then we'll install this on Claude Code, project, yes, and then that will install. I'll just close this other example that I was working on before. Now, the way this works is we have to run a couple more commands. So if you click on the video that they have here, this is a video with a little bit more juice to it, and you can actually see at the very beginning, they do bun create video, right? So bun create video, and then let's just do Next.js. Okay, so I had to add my app to this, just so you know. So I did bun create video my dash app, and I didn't do Next.js in the end. I just did the Hello World app, right? From here, we can now write Claude and say activate the Remotion skill. So that will activate the skill here. So we're inside Remotion 2, so I'm just going to open up Remotion 2 and then my app. And then inside public, I believe we can just drop images here. So I'm just going to go to Google and type Harbor SEO logo, and we'll just grab any of the good logos. I guess this one is fine for now. I kind of want one that's not. I want one with a dark background. So I just saved this image to downloads. Let's put this in this folder here. Okay, beautiful. Now I'm going to say, look at the My App public. There's my logo with my branding. My site is Harbor SEO. I want you, HarborSEO.ai, HarborSEO.ai. I want you to make me a full motion graphic for my latest changelog release, and then I'll just grab my changelog because I'm not actually sure what the last thing I did was. So we'll just go to changelog here, and there we go. So we've got the backlink beta and also the backlinks offer, basically. So we'll just send all of that information, and it should be able to extract kind of the things it needs from my logo. Should be able to include my logo, and it should be able to make some kind of pretty interesting motion graphic. So I'll just let this run, and we'll be back in a second. Now, if you want to know a little bit more about how to do this, if you don't want to follow my example, then definitely I'll leave a link to the X post. This one here has the video where they actually show how they made their entire graphic that they showed us in this example, right? So you can see they kind of, you can get all of their prompts and things from here. It's kind of annoying how they did it, to be honest with you, but yeah, it is what it is. It's there if you need it. Okay, so like I said, this is kind of more of an example to see what it can do just from not that much info, but okay. Damn. Wow. Wow, this is really, really, really good. How did it do this? This is crazy. Damn. Wow. Okay. And then can you just export this? That'd be really cool if you can just export this. So I've actually been looking for this for a very, very long time now. So you can export, it seems. Let's see. CD my app. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it's just going to work. It's rendering the frames. Now it's encoding the video, and it's done. So I just created a YouTube short, apparently, in not a very long time. So all you do now is just put this on Canva and do a voiceover. Wow, that is a game changer. Holy crap, guys. I don't think you realize how powerful this actually is. If you're not impressed by this, then I don't know what's going to impress you. That is crazy. So yeah, literally you could either do an AI voiceover, but what I would personally do is probably do like a recording over it. Guys, that's a game changer. I'll leave the video there. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching all the way to the end of the video, you're an absolute legend. I'm going to be playing around with this a lot, just so you know, and I'll see you very, very soon. Peace out.